Finding false-true transitions in a Numpy array. Given a Numpy array, how do I find the number of times the values transitions from false to true? For the above example, the answer would be 2. I don't want to include transitions from true to false in the count. From the answers to how do I identify sequences of values in a Boolean array, the following produces the indices at which the values are about to change, which is not what I want as this includes true-false transitions. I know that this can be done by looping through the array, however I was wondering if there was a faster way to do this?
Get one-off slices, x, column -1, starting from the first element and ending in second last element, and x, 1 column, starting from the second element and going on until the end, then look for the first slice being lesser than the second one, i.e. catch the pattern of false, true, and finally get the count with array.sum, or np.count_non0. Another way would be to look for the first slice being false and the second one is true, the idea again being to catch that pattern of false, true.
I kind of like to use Numpy method roll for this kind of problems. Roll rotates the array to left some step length, -1, -2, or to right, 1, 2. This will give x, but shifted one step to the left. A false followed by a true can then be expressed as
If you want to support the channel,